Behind me is a 2022 Tesla Model X Plaid Edition. It's been in an accident. There's a high point right here. Some good slices along here. And on top of that, this bad boy's aluminum. We got the panel pushed out where we want it. Now I'm going to sand the entire damaged area down to bare metal and then apply some body filler over it. Just got all the main bodywork done on here. Got it all nice and smooth, feeling good. Now I'm going to use this glaze coat, finishing glaze from 3M, to fill all these pinholes that you can see in the main body filler. I'll fill all those and fill any deep scratches that might bleed through the primer. Once I do that, then go to paint. Just got the vehicle back from paint. I'm going to quick assemble it and then show you the results. Here you have it, Tesla Model X Plaid Edition. The paintwork on it looks amazing. The color match is a little different. It's because the rest of the car has PPF on it, which we will be doing to the gate and rear bumper later on. But yeah, this one turned out pretty good. Gonna be another happy customer. Appreciate you watching. Look out for the next video.